reduces sediment and chlorine taste and odor to provide great tasting, clearer water. Fits all 20 Pentair Pentek Big Blue or other 20 heavy-duty filter housings and can replace any 20 by 4.5 carbon filter cartridge. Unique radical flow design offers low pressure drop, while significantly reducing release of carbon fines commonly associated with GAC cartridges. NSF International tested and certified for your peace of mind. 100,000 gallon capacity. Replace every 1 year or when you notice a drop in water pressure or water quality. Pentair Pentek RFC Series Cartridges are constructed with a 70-micron porous polyethylene outer shell and durable polypropylene endcaps. The 2 3/4 outer diameter cartridges have a polypropylene core and the 4 1/2 outer diameter cartridges incorporate a spun polypropylene core. Sandwiched between the outer shell and the core is a bed of granular activated carbon, GAC. The unique radial flow design offers the benefits of granular activated carbon, GAC, filtration, such as low pressure drop, while at the same time significantly reducing the release of carbon fines commonly associated with GAC-style cartridges. Pentek RFC Series cartridges are available in a wide variety of sizes and are ideal for point of entry, PoE, and other high flow rate applications. Top reviews from the United States. Rotten egg smell gone, without water pressure loss. We needed some help with the water system at our camp. It draws lake water. This year our water had a very strong sulfur and rotten egg smell during the hot summer. This was much worse than previously. Both hot and cold water had this smell, and we also had some gray mold-like substance in the toilet tank, as well as some particles like sand, and some rust smell. We researched this and had a Big Blue filter system installed. The problem was eliminated, but the water pressure was very, very low. So we called the Pentair Technical Support Department. The filter was the wrong style, and impeded our low-pressure water system. The technician/engineer recommended this RFC-20BB radial flow carbon filter. We installed it, instead of the other Pentek graphite-only filter. Instantly, the pressure was returned to strong good flow. In Aditon, the bad smell and particles have been eliminated. Great Pentek Big Blue system, and great tech support to get the correct filter for our problem. Excellent results.